Budalangi MP Ababu Namwamba is optimistic that the ODM party elections will be held in the next 2 months. This was after the elections were disrupted by chairs at Kasarani during the voting process. The legislator also affirmed that the elections will take place in the next 30 to 45 days. Mr. Amwamba also affirmed that the party is still united and still proceeds with its mandates without any dissatisfaction. Most of the party remains to be united so that the ODM party can win the Starehe and the Bonchari parliamentary seats because they are currently vacant. He also requested the ODM affiliated parties to not to fight the candidates so that they can increase the chances of success for the party. I'm Lois Dan reporting for Daystar TV News.
The liquidation process by the Kenya National Assurance Company is in its final stage. Over 25,000 people are yet to make their claims from this company. Of the 25,000 people, most of them are said to be small policy holders of between 20,000 shillings and 30,000 shillings. In a report released by the KNAC, the management stated that those who have not yet made their claims from their life fund shall have their money handed over to the Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority in 60 days. By March 2014, 3.9 billion shillings had already been settled. 405 million shillings is the amount that the KNAC is expected to hand over to the Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority by June 2014. Despite the collapse of the company that caused an uproar in the last 15 years, the insurance sector has so far recovered and is doing well. I am Joyce Ndinda reporting for Daystar TV News.
The Kenya Vision 2030 Delivery Secretariat has begun the process of recruitment of a new Director General. Dr. James Mwangi, the chairperson, says the delivery board has already embarked on an internationally advertised competitive search for a Kenyan to fill in the vacant slot. The recruitment is aimed at bringing in stability and leadership at the Secretariat. The Kenyan Vision 2030 is a country's development program that was launched by President Mwai Kibaki and covers a period of 2008 to 2030 on the 10th of June 2008. Its objective is to bring in or to help transform Kenya into a middle-income country. Mwangi says that different stakeholders have been put in place to ensure delivery within the next 16 years or earlier. Reporting for Com467 News, I'm Purity Chepto.